Hello to all KD fans. Today, I'd like to introduce a new product from KD to everyone. This is a programming socket for writing initialization data to the new Land Rover Jaguar SPC chip. Under normal conditions, when we are working on the new Land Rover Jaguar, this chip needs to be replaced. Replace it with a new chip. Then we also need to solder this wire on. Then we plug it into the device to read the data. Then we proceed to write the initialization data. Well, if you have this product, then you no longer need to solder the wires. You only need to place this chip into this programming socket. First, write the data. Then you solder it onto the circuit board. Then you can install it in the vehicle and proceed to other operations. Next, I'll demonstrate it to everyone. The first step, we need to place this chip on the programming socket. Well, here is pin 1. Here is a mark. Well, this is the position of pin 1. Then we just need to place it in. After placing it properly, we just close the lid. Then we just plug it into the X4 device. Then the OTG cable is already connected. Now, navigate to the IMO programmer path. Write file. OK. Scroll down. Write SPC. OK. Select RF. OK. Then we just select the corresponding box's model data to write it. Now the model number of this box is J9C3. OK. Write file. OK. Now the data writing is complete. Then we take out the chip and install it on the circuit board. After that, we can then install it in the vehicle for use.